latest update. The next round of high-level military talks between India and China will be held tomorrow. That is on Sunday, to take forward the process of its withdrawing troops from the remaining places of standoff along the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh amid the ongoing tension on the border. The meeting between India's Ladakh Corps commander and Chinese South Xinjiang military district commander is believed to be held in Chushul on Sunday, where de-escalation from patrolling point 15 or Hot Springs will be on the agenda for talks. Officials said that the two sides exchanged detail as part of preparations for the 13th round of military talks, with an emphasis on de-escalation tension at the rest of the standoff. Military sources said that the withdrawal of troops from Hot Springs and some other areas is expected to be discussed in the next round of commander level talks. Significantly, India has made it clear at various levels that no change in the status quo on the border will be accepted. India is also continuously giving this message to China diplomatically. Also, the strategy to deal with the Chinese aggression is the core issue for India at this time. According to the people familiar with the matter, senior military commanders will take up the remaining points of standoff in eastern Ladakh one by one, including Depsang Bulge and Charding Nulla junction in South Danchok. If the two sides decide to come to an agreement on a de-escalation from the Hot Springs, the Chinese troops' aggression of May 2020 will be reversed along with the status quo in eastern Ladakh. So far, around 50 PLA personnel are ahead of their positions at patrol point 15, and an equal number of Indian Army personnel are also facing them. India would welcome the de-escalation from the Hot Springs area after the Gogra agreed in the last round of talks, as New Delhi seeks continued discussion to resolve the patrolling rights at Depsang Bulge and Charding Nulla junction, so that the 1,597 km stretch, all disputes should be removed from LSC. Let us tell you that this dialogue is taking place at a time when the soldier of India and China recently came face to face in Arunachal Pradesh and clashed with each other over the border dispute. However, the matter was resolved after talks between the two sides. So that's it from us in this news. Thank you for your time.